by the original song and dance man, Mr. John Hartford. Now, John Hartford, he said he never actually wrote songs. What he did was he wrote word movies. Here's one of my favorite word movies by Mr. Hartford. The old electric washing machine circa 1930. Well, I sure do miss that good old electric washing machine, the kind that we ain't got round here no more. Yeah, I sure do miss that big round tub, them stomping, swinging sound. I miss all them groovy puddles on the floor. See, the new washing machine just sits there on Sunday morning. You hear it over in the corner. It just goes But the old one, now it went. Yeah, I almost cried when I saw that brand new washing machine. I'm sentimental about the old machine still, yeah. See, the old one really looked like a real live washing machine. This new one looks more like a television set, and it just goes But the old one, I like the way it went. With progress these days, those marketers, they always want you to buy something new and improved. Even the old one works just fine. I kind of believe they don't make things the way they used to. I try and keep my old appliances working with as much duct tape as possible. But unfortunately, something's got to retire. Because see, one day that old washing machine, it went.